Do you wake up exhausted, even after a full night's sleep? You grab your coffee, hoping for that jolt, but deep down, the fatigue just never seems to leave. Have you ever stopped to wonder if your body is trying to tell you something? What if that bone-deep exhaustion isn't just from stress or a busy schedule? What if it's a silent cry for help coming directly from your cells? Could it be that your body isn't lazy? It's just undernourished? Today, we're going to dive deep into this. We'll decode how simple, everyday foods like spinach, salmon, and yes, even delicious dark chocolate can recharge your energy right at a cellular level. This isn't about some miracle cure. It's about understanding the science of your own body and giving it exactly what it needs to thrive. So let's talk about where this fatigue really begins. It's not just in your head. It starts in your mitochondria. You might remember that word from biology class. They're the tiny powerhouses, the energy engines inside every single one of your cells. Their job is to take the food you eat and convert it into usable energy, the very fuel that powers your every move, your every thought. But here's the catch. When you're lacking essential nutrients like iron, magnesium, and B vitamins, your mitochondria can't do their job efficiently. Think of it like trying to start a car. You can have the best engine in the world, but if you don't have enough fuel or your spark plugs are worn out, that engine is going to sputter and fail. It's the exact same principle inside your body. The result? Low energy, poor focus, brain fog, and that constant feeling of burnout, even when you're getting plenty of rest. Your body is trying its best, but it just doesn't have the right tools for the job. So how do we fix this? It starts with looking at what's on your plate. Let's begin with one of the most common culprits behind fatigue: low iron. If you often feel cold, lightheaded, or get breathless easily, this could be your body's signal. Iron is crucial because it helps transport oxygen to your cells. Without enough oxygen, your mitochondria can't produce energy effectively. A fantastic way to combat this is with what I call the Iron and B12 Boost Bowl. It's simple, delicious, and incredibly effective. You combine a generous base of spinach, some cooked quinoa, and a piece of grilled salmon. Here's why this combination is so powerful. The spinach provides a great source of plant-based iron, known as non-heme iron. The salmon is packed with vitamin B12 and omega-3 fatty acids, which are vital for brain energy and reducing inflammation. But here is the pro tip that makes all the difference. Squeeze a bit of fresh lemon juice over your bowl. The vitamin C in the lemon juice is a game changer. It can increase your body's absorption of plant-based iron by up to 3 times. It's a small step that dramatically boosts the nutritional power of your meal, ensuring your body gets the full benefit of the iron you're eating. Now, let's talk about another common scenario. Are you someone who feels tired all day but then finds yourself wide awake at night staring at the ceiling? You're exhausted, but you just can't sleep. This frustrating paradox can often point to a deficiency in another key mineral: magnesium. Magnesium is often called the calming mineral for a good reason. It plays a central role in your nervous system, helping to quiet it down and prepare your body for rest. It also helps your muscles relax, easing physical tension that might be keeping you awake. If your body doesn't have enough magnesium, it's like your internal off switch is broken. A simple and delicious fix for this is a magnesium-rich evening smoothie. It's the perfect way to wind down. Here's the recipe. Take 1 banana, which not only contains magnesium, but also supports your body's natural melatonin production. Add half a cup of oats, which are a fantastic source of magnesium and complex carbs that promote stable blood sugar through the night. Throw in a handful of almonds for another magnesium boost. And for the best part, add a spoonful of unsweetened cocoa powder. That's right. The compounds in high-quality dark chocolate can actually help you relax and sleep better. Blend it all up with some almond milk or water, and you have a perfect, calming bedtime treat. So this brings us to a crucial question you need to ask yourself. Is your fatigue really from overworking, or is it from underfeeding your cells? Think about it. How often do you find yourself skipping real nutrient-dense meals and instead reaching for a quick fix like caffeine or a sugary snack? Those things might give you a temporary spike in energy, but they're followed by an even harder crash, leaving you more depleted than before. It's a vicious cycle. And here is a hard truth. No supplement in the world can fix what poor food choices are consistently breaking. Supplements can be helpful to fill in gaps, but they can't replace the foundational power of whole foods. The synergy of nutrients found in real food, the fiber, the phytonutrients, the vitamins, and minerals all working together, is something you simply can't replicate in a pill. Are you ready to feel the difference for yourself? I want to challenge you to a simple 3-day reset. It's not a diet, it's an experiment to show you how quickly your body can respond when you give it the right fuel. For just 3 days, I want you to do 3 things. First, make sure you eat something green with every meal. This could be a side of spinach, kale, broccoli, or a simple salad. Greens are packed with the vitamins and minerals your mitochondria are craving. Second, add at least one source of healthy omega-3 fats each day. This could be a piece of salmon, a tablespoon of chia seeds in your smoothie, or a handful of walnuts as a snack. Omega-3s are critical for brain health and reducing inflammation. And third, cut out all caffeine after 12 noon. Instead, focus on hydrating with water. For an extra boost, add a slice of lemon to your water. That's it. Just 3 simple changes for 3 days. You might be shocked at how your body responds. You'll likely notice more stable energy levels, clearer thinking, and better sleep. Your body has an incredible capacity to heal and reset itself, but you have to give it the chance. Your body is constantly communicating with you through fatigue, through headaches, through cravings. These aren't random annoyances. They are important signals. The real question is, are you listening? When you start to feed your cells what they truly need, they will repay you with a level of energy and vitality you might not have known you had. It's not about restriction. It's about abundance. It's about nourishing yourself from the inside out and unlocking your body's natural energy potential. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips on how to fuel your body for a vibrant, energetic life. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Are you going to try the 3-day reset? Let me know. See you in the next video.